All right, so in addition to everything else going on, this is day 4 of my SpringQuinox detox, and I'm doing the master cleanse. I'm planning on doing the salt flush after I get back from some chores. I didn't want to take it this morning and then interrupt with the things I had to do. So when I get back from my activities, I'll be doing the salt flush. And I just wanted to remind you that tomorrow at 12 o'clock is the Global Meditation Day. And it's going to be 71 degrees, so I am going to be heading over to Pebble Beach. I'm going to get there early. I might take a dip. I might get in the water and participate in the Global Meditation Day. I think it's 10 minutes. And then after that, we'll start with the Spiral Dance Medicine Wheel, which is a ceremony I've been doing for several years now. And I'm amazed every time I do it at what goes on in the world. But it's an honoring of the 4 elements: fire, air, water, earth, 4 directions: north, south, east, west, 4 seasons: spring, summer, fall, winter, and the 4 aspects of being: body, mind, soul, spirit. Since this is a spiral dance, we're moving forward in time, so we also include the mid-seasons, and then that's midwinter, mid-spring, midsummer, mid-fall. So as it turns out, the Lunar New Year, also known as the Chinese New Year, occurs at the new moon at midwinter. And according to the Spiral Dance Medicine Wheel, that's when we go up the spiral, we ascend. And man, oh man, has my life ascended since then. So someone on here wasn't really aware of the difference between the solstices and the equinoxes, so I wanted to take a minute to talk about that. So the word solstice means sun stops, and it looks like our sun stops for 3 days. It appears to rise in the same place for 3 days and 3 nights. The summer solstice is the longest day of the year. The winter solstice is the longest night of the year. And so at the winter solstice, it stops, and then it starts to move south again. And at the summer solstice, it stops and starts to move north again. And then at the spring and the fall equinox, it's supposedly equal day and equal night. But this whole system does not recognize the precession of the equinox. And I believe that the actual time of the equinox has changed, because there's, you can go online and it'll say that the days and nights are no longer equal on the equinox. And so I'm reminded that in Peru and in Egypt, in Kemet, the equinoxes are now on February 22nd and October 22nd. So they've shifted. Anyway, I've included the chart of the Spiral Dance Medicine Wheel so you can see how this all lays out. And maybe you'll join me online tomorrow at 12 o'clock, or if you're in Chicago, come to Pebble Beach. Hotel.